Here I have LG K8 2017, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the general section, go to the backup and reset, then backup my data, enable this feature. Then what you have to do is to add your backup Google account. Of course you'll need internet connection to do this. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to select if you will use this device or if your child will use this device. And then agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, what you will have to do is to just tap next here, and your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.